I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You have the essentials ready. Charged Beats Solo 3 and the phone with Bluetooth on. First, press and hold the power button for about 1 second to power on. Once you see the LED, press and hold again to enter pairing mode. The LED will flash. On your device, open Bluetooth settings and keep the list visible. This reduces delays. Make sure you stop actively playing audio so the phone prioritizes new connections. Now, wait for the Beats Solo 3 name to appear. Once the Beats Solo 3 shows up in your device list, tap it to pair. You'll often see a connecting spinner. Allow any pairing prompts. On some phones, a confirmation dialog appears. Accept it so the keys exchange. After connected, make sure your phone's audio output is set to Beats Solo 3. Open the control panel or audio picker and select it. If using a music app, pause and resume playback so the app routes audio to the new device. Play a short clip to verify both sides. You're almost done. Play a short track and adjust headphone volume using on-ear controls. Confirm clear left and right channels. If you want improved stability, open the Beats app or your device's update utility to check for firmware updates. Once updated, reconnect to lock and fixes. If pairing fails or audio drops, unpair the Beats Solo 3 in Bluetooth settings, restart your phone. Then power the headphones off and on and pair again. This simple reset resolves most connectivity glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.